In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from a Meta Business Suite account. Whether you're reorganizing your team or just optimizing permissions, being able to manage admin access is a critical aspect of maintaining a secure and well-organized business profile. While this process is straightforward, it's important to understand the steps involved thoroughly to ensure a smooth transition. Now, let's get started. First things first, you need to make sure you have full control over the account. Without full control, you won't be able to remove another admin. It's important to double check your permissions because trying this without the correct access rights can leave you unable to complete the task at hand, which would be frustrating for everyone involved. If you're uncertain about your permissions, it might be worthwhile to check with the current team or whoever manages these roles to confirm your level of access. Once you've confirmed your permissions, head over to the Meta Business Suite and navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this by looking for the gear icon, commonly associated with settings in most applications. This is your control center where you can handle various aspects of your business management, from roles and permissions to analytics and reports. After entering the Settings section, look for the People tab. This is where all users with access to your business account, including any admins, are listed. This tab allows you to review everyone who is connected to your business and understand their current roles and permissions. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this layout, as managing your team effectively demands clarity on who has access to what. Once inside the People tab, you'll see a list of the users associated with your account. Navigate through the list and find the admin user you wish to remove. If you have a large team, this might involve scrolling or using a search feature, if available, to quickly find the right person. After locating their profile, you'll see an option that says More. Clicking this option will display a drop-down menu. Within this menu, select Remove from Business Portfolio. Be mindful as you proceed with this action because removing someone will revoke their access not only to the main business account, but also to all connected assets, which could include advertising accounts, pages, and any other linked tools. This action can have broad implications for both the user being removed and the ongoing operations if not carefully managed. This process might feel a bit terse, but it's designed to ensure that only authorized changes are made to your business settings. Therefore, when you perform this removal, double check that you've selected the right user and that you're ready to confirm the action. It's always best to notify the team member about the change beforehand to avoid any misunderstandings or disruptions to workflow. By following these steps, you'll maintain a secure and organized management of your admin access on Meta Business Suite. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or additional tips you might need, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides.